The birth of the WTO. The WTO wasn't always around. Before it came along in 1995, there was the General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GATT, which was like a loose set of rules for trade. But as trade became more complex and interconnected, countries realized they needed a stronger organization to manage the game. That's where the WTO stepped in. It's a permanent institution with 164 member countries, making it a truly global organization. The WTO's mission: fair play in global trade. The WTO's mission is to promote free and fair trade by setting the rules. The WTO provides a framework of rules and agreements that govern international trade. These rules cover everything from tariffs and quotas to intellectual property rights and environmental protection. They aim to create a level playing field for all countries, regardless of their size or economic power. Negotiating new agreements. The WTO is a forum where countries come together to negotiate new trade agreements. These negotiations can be long and complex, but they're essential for reducing trade barriers and opening up markets. Monitoring trade policies. The WTO keeps a close eye on its members' trade policies to ensure they are playing by the rules. This includes reviewing trade policies, monitoring compliance with agreements, providing social welfare, and giving technical assistance to developing countries. Resolving disputes. When trade conflicts arise, the WTO provides a dispute settlement mechanism to help countries find a peaceful resolution. This involves consultations, mediation, and if necessary, a panel of experts to rule on the dispute. The WTO's impact. The WTO has had a mixed record of success. On the positive side, it has helped to reduce trade barriers and facilitate a significant expansion of global trade. It has also provided a forum for countries to address trade-related issues and resolve disputes peacefully. However, the WTO has also faced criticism. Some argue that it favors the interests of wealthy countries over developing ones, that its dispute settlement system is slow and cumbersome, and that it hasn't done enough to address issues like environmental protection and labor rights. The WTO's future: challenges and opportunities. The WTO faces a number of challenges in the years ahead. These include rising protectionism. The recent rise in protectionist sentiment in some countries poses a threat to the WTO's mission of promoting free trade. Deadlocked negotiations. The WTO's negotiating rounds have stalled in recent years, making it difficult to reach new agreements on key issues. Geopolitical tensions. Growing tensions between major powers like the US and China could undermine the WTO's ability to function effectively. Despite these challenges, the WTO also has opportunity to reinvent itself and remain relevant in a 21st century. This could involve modernizing rules. The WTO needs to update its rules to reflect the realities of the digital economy and address new challenges like e-commerce and data flows. Strengthening dispute settlement. The WTO needs to streamline its dispute settlement system and make it more efficient and accessible to all members. Focusing on inclusivity. The WTO needs to ensure that the interests of developing countries are adequately represented and that they benefit from the global trading system. Conclusion. The World Trade Organization is a necessary institution in the world. It plays a significant role in promoting free and fair trade, resolving financial disputes, managing the global market, and setting the rules for global commerce. While it faces challenges, the WTO remains an essential forum for international cooperation on trade and a key member of the global economy.